How to replace a diaphragm in NBC pressure pans. Items required. Safety. Always lock out power source and follow recommended safety procedures.
Turn off the air. Remove the rollers over the pressure pan. Use a pair of pliers to pull the axle out of the channel. Remove the finger guards. Disconnect the logic module connector ends. Loosen the air tube by inserting the end of a small, flat screwdriver between the tube and the logic module. Loosen and remove the hardware for the pressure pan. Remove the pressure pan. Please note, the tubing threads through a hex hole in the side channel. Lightly clamp the pressure pan bracket. Loosen and remove the lock nuts. Loosen the clamp while holding pressure on the cover. Release the pressure slowly and remove the cover, springs, standoffs, and washers. Please note the orientation of the stand. Remove the diaphragm air puck. Make sure the new diaphragm is oriented correctly. Please note the routing of the air tubing as it is reinstalled. Reassemble the washers, standoffs, springs, cover, and lock nuts. Tighten the lock nuts until they stop. Note, do not over-tighten. Pull the air tube through the cover side hole. Reinstall the pressure pan. Insert the tubing through the hex hole in the channel. Tighten the carriage bolts to the side channel and make sure the carriage bolts are seated properly through the pressure pan bracket. Reconnect the air tubing and connector ends. Reinstall the finger guards and rollers. Use a putty knife to protect the side channel surface and help guide the hex axle into place. Turn on the air.
For more Fortna conveyor maintenance videos, visit fortna-conveyor.com.